Let's be honest. The crushing weight in your chest isn't about her. It's about the massive, silent void she left behind. Most men let that emptiness rot them from the inside, wasting months staring at a ceiling and replaying old memories. But the elite man understands a hidden truth. That void is actually a vacuum of pure potential. While the average guy drowns in his feelings, the high-value man fills that space with high-stakes skill building. Your old life is a crime scene, and your current hobbies are poisoned by her memory. If you keep doing the same things you did while you were together, you are just feeding a ghost. To move forward, you must execute the version of yourself that got dumped. You need high-stakes activities that demand absolute, undivided presence. Whether it is the physical violence of combat sports or the mental intensity of complex skill building, you must starve your brain of the oxygen it needs to overthink. To rebuild, you need the three-pillar hobby framework. First, choose a pursuit for physical dominance, like Muay Thai or Brazilian Jiu-Jitsu, to ground your confidence in raw capability. Second, select a hobby for mental grit, such as mastering chess or learning a complex coding language, to prove you can still conquer difficult challenges. Finally, adopt a skill for social status, like photography or high-level cooking, to make yourself an asset in any room. As you gain competence in these three distinct arenas, you develop a form of unearned confidence that radiates from your core, making the old version of you completely unrecognizable. In exactly 6 months, curiosity will win, and she is going to check your profile. Imagine that moment. Will she see the same broken guy she walked away from, or a complete stranger she no longer recognizes and certainly doesn't deserve? Your new hobbies are the receipts of your evolution. They are the undeniable evidence that while she stayed stagnant, you were busy building a life that has absolutely no room for her anymore. Stop overthinking the perfect start and use the low-friction rule. By tonight, you must pick one high-impact hobby and book your first session. Action is the only cure for a broken heart. You might start these things just to forget her, but very soon, the motivation will shift. You will stop doing it to escape the past and start doing it because you genuinely love the dangerous, capable man you are finally becoming. The clock is ticking on your transformation. I want you to drop a comment right now with the one hobby you are committing to starting today. Hold yourself accountable in front of this brotherhood. Stop looking back at what you lost and focus on what you're building. Don't win the breakup, win your life.